Get ready to explore the Motorola Moto G64, the smartphone that's set to redefine your mobile experience. The Moto G64 features a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and a responsive touch experience. Powered by the world's first Dimensity 7025 SoC, the Moto G64 runs on Android 14 and is planned for an upgrade to Android 15. Comes with two configurations: the 8GB/128GB model, or the 12GB/256GB model. Both offer ample storage, expandable by up to 1 TB. Capture every moment with the triple camera setup, featuring a 50MP primary sensor with OIS, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 16MP selfie camera. The Moto G64 packs a massive 6000 mAh battery with 30W charging support. Available in mint green, pearl blue, and ice lilac, the Moto G64 is as beautiful as it is powerful. So, if you're looking for a smartphone that offers top-notch features, the Motorola Moto G64 might just be the perfect choice for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. We're always here to bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology.